How do you teach intuition? That sense of knowing when something's right and when it's so wrong. So today there's this illusion of quickly learn something and jump into the business, and I believe that mastery is where we should focus. Let's face it, sometimes it feels like we get on the assembly line and it's next, next, next. Sometimes I think we get so jammed up in technique that we forget that if we don't design to the person who's sitting in our chair, it doesn't matter how brilliant that hairstyle is. Your blow dries are going to be extraordinary, creative and talented. You're going to increase your confidence. You're going to have fun. You're going to have more diversity in your work. I have figured out how to break down all of my intuitive decisions and teach it back to you. It's a very crowded market, and how do you stand out in that sea of sameness? I'm Vivienne Mackinder. I hope you'll join me for one of my workshops.